Hi, today I'm here to help you with the input page for elapsed time to the nearest 1 minute. So you should have this page out. If you don't, go get it. All right, let's look at the top of the page. This is going to be very similar to the page we worked on yesterday when we were working on solving for elapsed time to the nearest 5 minutes. So some of the answers will be the same, but it's a good reminder of what we need to do because the process doesn't change for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Okay, once you are comfortable telling time on a clock, it is time to start solving for elapsed time. Same answer as yesterday, and it's written at the top of your page if you need help spelling it. Okay, in order to solve for elapsed time, you need to know two things. Same two things, starting time, ending time. Started writing time. Ooh, luckily I just crossed it out. Okay, that's what your page should look like so far. All right, now we have same thing we did yesterday, but the times have changed. So, green pen and red pen, they are ready today. Our starting time is 8:17. Remember, we don't need to worry about the 8. That's not going to change, so we just worry about the minutes. So let's find where 17 minutes would be on this clock. I'm going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15. Now I have to count by ones. 16, 17. So that second dot right there is where I'm going to put the second tick mark is where I'm going to put my green dot. So that's my starting time. The starting minutes are 17. The ending minutes I'm going to do in red, and it is 34. It says 8:34 right here. Not going to worry about the 8. Let's find out where 34 would be. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now I've got to count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. That tick mark right before the 7 is where it's going to go. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, oh, and our ending minutes are 34. Okay, number 3, count by fives and ones from the first dot to the last dot, or from the green dot to the red dot, whatever you want to do. I'm going to say first dot to the last dot. Okay, so it said ones and fives. We can't start out counting by fives here because we're in the middle. We're not on a number, but I can get to a number. So I'm going to count by ones until I get to the 4. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to label those 3 bumps as a 3. Now I can count by fives for a little while. 5, 5. Now I can't count by fives again, or else I will miss my dot. So I'm going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to label that with a 4. So you will see now that I have 4, 5, 5, 3 that I need to add together. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, and I know that 3 plus 4 is 7. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. And if you don't feel confident doing that math in your head, that's okay. Do it right here, right where your work is. Totally fine. Okay, 17 minutes. All right, now we're going to look down here. Our next step, just like yesterday, you can also show elapsed time on a number line. Okay, follow the same directions as you did on the clock above. You should get the same final answer. Okay. So our number line's right here. We're going to do the same problem, and hopefully we get the same answer. Let's see. Pull out your green and your red. Okay, 8:17. So on the number line, I'm going to have to draw my own tick marks. So 8:17, 5, 10, 15. I'm going to draw 16 and then 17. And I'm going to label it 8:17. If you wanted to draw the rest of the tick marks, you could. 17, 18, 19, and then we're to 20. If you wanted to do that, you could. You don't have to. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do with my green. Now I need my red. Okay, I'm going to do my my ending time. Okay, it's 34. Here's my 30. So I make 4 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my 834 will go right there. Okay, now I can count with my purple. Okay, so starting at 8:17, 1, 2, 3. Label that 3 minutes to get to 20. 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Label it with a 4. So again, I have 3, 5, 5, 4 that I need to add all together. Ooh. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 4 is 7, 10 plus 7 is 17. So we get the same time. 17 minutes. All right, you are ready to tackle that output page. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.